Hello everyone. I hope you are having great day. It's Ravi Vanakuru and welcome to our channel. Today we will see how to install live server in a Visual Studio Code. But before going to subject, if you are a new visitor of our channel, please do subscribe. Let's get into our topic. If you are using Studio Code as your text editor to developing websites, you can use this extension called live server. By using this website extension, you can preview your web pages while you are editing. That means if you are modifying HTML or CSS or any of your code in your text editor, it will reflect automatically in your browser without page refreshing. Right? Let's see how to install this extension. Go to your Visual Studio Code and go to your extensions tab. From there you can search live server. See, you have a first results called live server. The extension, most popular extension. See how many downloads we have for this extension, right? So you can click on this install button. Once you installed this extension, from now you can check your web pages in a browser without loading uh, without loading. Okay, to check this I am opening a folder, my project folder called HTML. Of course I don't have any files in this folder, but I can create one. Index.html. Okay, now um, I'll write a basic HTML. Okay, let's create a heading tag. Welcome to our channel. Right? Yes, you have a project folder now and you have a HTML file also. Once you have opened that HTML file, if you wanted to open this folder as your live preview in your live server, just right click on that file, open with live server. Once you open that file in your browser, you can see that we have our content. Now let's bring these two windows side by side. Right? Now I am going to change or add content to my HTML. Let's say I'm going to create h2 tag with thank you for seeing my videos. See, when I click on this save option, it will automatically reflect in my browser. Even I didn't touch the browser, but still we are able to see the preview. Right? To use this kind of live reloading, we are going to use this extension called live server. This is a very useful extension for web developers, right? I hope you have learned some information from this video. If you like this information, please do like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.